Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Economies of scale. Economies of scale are the cost advantages that enterprises can obtain due to size, output, or scale of operation, with cost per unit of output generally decreasing with increasing scale as fixed costs are spread over more units of output. Internal economies of scale. When an organization reduces cost by increasing its production, internal economies of scale is achieved. Internal economy of scale operates within the organization. Labor economies. Large-scale production leads to specialization, which saves time, leads to automation, and helps in achieving cumulative volume economies. Technical economies. Such economies are related with the fixed capital, which includes all types of machinery and other equipment. The technical economies arise due to specialization, setup cost, reserve capacity requirements, etc. Marketing economies. When scale of production increases, the marketing cost per unit declines as normally marketing cost is almost fixed in nature. Managerial economics. These arise in the form of decentralization, teamwork, mechanization, and adoption of time-saving managerial techniques. Internal diseconomies of scale. On the other hand, internal diseconomies may also occur due to various reasons within the organization. Production diseconomies. When inferior or inefficient factors of production are used, the cost starts rising again. Managerial diseconomies. It operates when the organization finds it difficult to control and coordinate the activities of all the departments as the scale of operation crosses a threshold. Marketing diseconomies. It operates when marketing overheads are rise more than proportionately with the increment in output. Financial diseconomies. It starts to operate when the financial cost rises more than the proportionate output after the optimum scale due to more dependence on external finance. External economies of scale. When an industry's scope of operation expands due to better economic environment, infrastructure, and government policies, external economies of scale is achieved. External economy of scale benefit all the forms of the economy. Industry. Technological economies. When the whole industry expands, the demand for improvement in the technology used in that industry increases. Improvement of existing technology lead to the improvement of new technology. This technical development causes decrease in the cost of production. Raw material and capital equipment. When an industry expands, the demand for the material and capital equipment required by it also increases. Consequently, the supplies of the material and capital equipment attempt to give at lower cost, which decreases the cost of production. Labor economies. Due to expansion of industry in a particular area, labor of that area becomes accustomed to do the various job production process of that industry. Consequently, the firms of that industry do not have to go anywhere to find out efficient laborer. More the skilled labor decrease the wastage of material as well as the cost of production. Economies of byproducts. The expansion of an industry would help the firms to decrease their cost of production through better usage of wastage material. The waste material of one firm may be usable as raw materials in other firms, thereby enabling to decrease their cost of production. Infrastructure facilities. The expansion of an industry may lead to improvement of the network of infrastructure facilities such as transportation, banking, roads, insurance, finance, etc. The development of infrastructural facility decreases the cost of product. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.